Hi everyone, it's Michael Tiny Saul. It is Monday, May 23rd, and this is the all-new stock trading watch list for the week of May 23rd, 2011. I say that because the original list all got canceled on Monday morning with the big gap down. So let's go over those real quick, and then I have 3 new stocks to add to the list. So one of the rules that we have for these videos is that if we open up below the entry, which is what we did on this, okay, we opened up at 52.71 and 52.94 was the entry, it's canceled, okay? The other thing is if it were to open at or above the stop or trade to the stop before the entry, it would also be canceled. So if it had traded to 54.44 before it entered, then we just cancel the trade. So you could see ALOG, what is it, Analogic Corp. Okay, so that's gone. JJSF, no trigger. And let's see where the stop and the open was. The stop was 50.16. Okay, the open was 50.25, but you see it traded down to the stop before the entry. Doesn't matter, didn't trigger, no harm, no foul on that one. CRR is gone as well. CRR opened at 147.12. The stop was 147.78, so that's canceled. Cena, okay, Cena, gorgeous down day. Wow, down 8 points, but look where it opened. It opened at 112.82. That is below the short entry, so that's a cancel. And JetBlue, okay, it was no trigger, and it just got absolutely destroyed. You see this down, actually not destroyed, it's down 16 cents. Wow, I would have figured it would be down more than that with the size of the candle, but anyway, whatever. The stop was 6.16, and it opened at 6.22. So that it still would have been valid, but then it traded down and took out the stop before the entry. So everything was canceled early on, and sometimes that's the way it is, unfortunately, but that's fine. Look, there's a famous saying, I repeat it to death, but it's true. I'd rather be out wishing I were in than in wishing I were out. So a push is better than a shove. This didn't even cost commissions for the video, right? So it was no entries, no break-even stop-outs, no slippage, just nothing. So that's that. But let's look at 3 new stocks. Let's put 3 new stocks on the list. The first one is MAKO, and it's not better get MAKO. It's MAKO Surgical Corp. Maybe it's MAKO Surgical Corp. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But the entry is going to be 30.91. The stop is going to be 32.71. So $1.80 risk. Let's write this out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I mapped out the 3 stocks. I figured I'll take that pause to do them all. So, all right, you can see here with MAKO or MAKO. Let's call it MAKO. It sounds more official. You can see we had this nice squeeze, and then we had the reversal candle on Monday the 23rd. So we're looking at a 30.91 entry, 32.71 stop loss. Looking to move stops after a 70-cent gain, half off plus 2. Half off plus 4. 1 unit. Okay? The second stock to look at is Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's is in a consolidation here after what appears to be a top or a topping pattern. So we'll see if it gets continuation to the downside. 38.39 short entry. 39.29 stop. It's 90 cents. 45-cent gain, move stops to break even. Half off plus 1, half off plus 350. Dick's Sporting Goods, looking to see if it'll test the 200-day moving average. And then finally, Amylin Pharmaceuticals. Okay, 13.86 long entry. Nice little small base here. So, nice little small base. Does that make sense? A nice base here, in my opinion. So, we're looking to see if this can get a launch from here. 13.86 long entry, 13.06 stop, half size. That means it's a half a unit. Once again, it doesn't matter that it's 80 cents on a $13 stock, okay? That has nothing to do with the risk. The risk is all defined by the unit size, and this is a half a unit trade. Stops move to entry after a 38-cent gain, half off plus 1, and at that time, if We get half off. Stops move to plus 50 cents on the remaining. Looking to lock in a 50-cent gain on the rest. So looking for $1 on the first one and probably looking for $1.50 or so on the second one, maybe less because you can see the 200-day moving average is coming down. But we'll manage it as appropriate. Okay, so Amlin long, Dick's Sporting Goods short, and MAKO short on the reversal candle, the inverted hammer, the shooting star, whatever you would like to call it. That's it. Talk to everybody again tomorrow. Have a great trading day on Tuesday.